Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2013 Tesla Model S, and on this vehicle, I'm going to show you how to be able to open up your hatch or the front hood in the other direction. So first we showed how you open it up with your key fob, and that is a double tap on the front of your key fob, the car. So double tap on there, and that unlocks the hood so that you can raise it up. Otherwise, we got to go into the car, and through the infotainment system, we are able to unlock the hood that way. So you'll need your key so that your car doors will unlock, or double tap on the key to unlock the doors, and then we can step in there. And the key is just your different settings that you may have that you've set up on your vehicle of when the door will unlock or whatnot. So we've come up to the side, and there are some different settings you can set through there. But we have this one is set that when you tap the door handle, it will pop out, and now we'll be able to open up the door. And then once we're in here on the infotainment screen, we need to get so we can open up the hood. We want to tap down here with the car symbol, and now we have our car symbol here. And you'll see you've got the lock open, but we're going to just tap open here, and that opens up the hatch up front or the trunk, and then it's also giving us an indication that it's unlocked here. And then you would just come around front and be able to raise it up. Now, if you left this down here for a certain period of time, a minute or two, you would have to also do the manual unlock, because you've got your first lock, which is actuated by, well, both of these are actuated when you unlock the trunk, the hatch with the switch or the key. And then the second one here is if it sits there, this will lock and it will keep you manually locked. And so you'll just have to press this tab down to get it to unlock, or hit your key a couple times also. And then we raise the hood, and then that way we can get to the portions of the vehicle to be able to add windshield washer fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and stuff like that. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.